Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Polygon MATIC. In my last video, I told you that the price line of Polygon is testing the previous resistance of the triangle as a support, and at the same time, it was testing the support of a very big rising wedge pattern. And by the way, this was the triangle that I shared for my members at the Patreon on November 10th when the price line broke out the resistance and it was moving down to retest the resistance of this triangle. Now, after playing the chart, we can see that the price line rallied very well from $1.83 to $2.92 and moved down. Now, if we take a look at the live weekly time frame chart, then here we can see that the price line was at the support of a very big rising wedge pattern. And by the way, I'm also sharing the different trading ideas here for my members at the Patreon. And if you would like to support me here, then I have shared the link to join me there in the video's description. You can find there. Okay, this was the weekly time frame, and when I shared my last video with you, at that time we were moving at the support at $2, and we were also having a very nice support of this exponential moving average 21. You can see that recently in the current week, the price line has also tested this exponential moving average 21 support as well. And this was the support of the triangle that I shared with you, and the price line was testing the previous resistance as a support. We have this line was working previously as a rejection line or resistance of the triangle, and now it was working as a support. And I told you that we have here three major supports. One is the exponential moving average 21. Another one is the previous resistance of the triangle that is now working as a support. And third one is the support of this rising wedge pattern. Therefore, we can expect a powerful reversal move from here. Now, if we take a look at the target for this triangle, then if I place this trend line from this support to this resistance and place it here at the breakout point, then our next expected target is approximately $2.91. Now, we can also expect a move at least up to this resistance of the rising wedge pattern as well. That is approximately at $3. Now, for example, if the price line moves a little bit sideways and hits this resistance of the wedge, like it did here, then the move can be bigger one. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.